I want to show you one more small one here. I just want to do lots of different texture because I think that is always what makes everything so interesting. But these little, I'm not even taping. I think I will have enough things in here that will give me a grid, so I should be okay without tape. So these are very similar textures, but I kind of think it's just fun. I find that's what our customers want a lot these days. It's all these very organic, natural looking vases that looks, it's just interesting because of the few fun flowers that's in. But you got to have really nice greens. Right? Some eucalyptus. A little more sprig of this here in. Again, the viburnum, flowering viburnum. I like to this is the Queen Anne's lace, and this is the one that has a little bit, sort of a hint of pink in it. It's really pretty. Here. See, I want that a little bit lower. So it sits down there like that. And I'll put a couple of roses in. Do that a little bit lower. I won't put, maybe I'll put 4 roses in. Have a little deeper, some of them. And I'll put a couple of campanulas in. Put this over here. So you have these cute little alliums. It's fun to have something coming up, peeking out of the arrangement. A couple on this side over here. Maybe I will take one more rose, 1 second. I will add one more rose down here, put it in low. There. Move this up a little bit. And then I want to put a couple of these, I forget their names, because I like how they pick up the color from the Queen Anne's lace and the fillers that we use. And also how much life they just bring into the arrangement. truly organic looking, meaning by that wildflower feel, right? Just gonna move this here a little bit. I have a couple of these trachelium. I think I'm just gonna put it in the bottom here for texture. Again, didn't really have to, but I have them so they're fun. Have one more of these here on the other side. You see, I don't always want to go where I want them to go, but we'll work it out. There. So let's just see. See how fun that is? Next to nothing. Like that. It's not that there's no flowers in here. There is, but there's not that many. And what a nice centerpiece that would be. Super simple, not all these tons and tons of flowers that we use so many times in our big weddings. And you know, honestly, there's times where I find that this here is just as nice. It's very peaceful to look at. I would like that. I hope you get a chance to do that too. And I just want to show you these small ones here. Like I made this one here first. I really think it's a fun thing to do these small ones too, and have fun with that.